No crime or needs to be committed.
I walked in there and I was like, hey, out. I'm not getting any answers. I don't think they left yet, but I'd rather just prevent this before it turns into something.
It's usually what I do. I mean, there's times where I've gone in.
Yeah.
And there's times where I've waited for them to come out, but it's just like...
Yeah. They already know we're here. Like, I walked the whole, like, front.
You want to go there and I'll go through that way?
Yeah, and then I'll try to...
What's her name? Alright. Is this closed? Closed? What? Does this connect to that store too?
What's that?
Does this connect over there too?
Yes,
to
sir.
that entry? Okay.
But the other door's open, but this one is closed.
Okay, thank you. Hi, is there a around here?
Loss prevention. She doesn't think there's any loss prevention here today.
Well, let me fetch them here eventually. Do you need a crutch?
Hey, it was someone from loss prevention.
Not in the office.
I thought she checked. I can check again. She said that she wasn't. There is a work here, right?
The female suspect is like right here.
Oh, okay. Boom. Where are they? Do you not want to refuse service to them? Do you want to refuse service to them?
I saw a actual Walmart Plus person on his phone faking that he was using electronics in there's high-end merchandise in their carts.
You think they're just going to try to return it?
No, I think they're going to try to show a fake receipt in the office.
Yeah.
I lost sight of them. They were in men's last, but I will go there because she has more. She's scanning it right now, but...
Is it these people right here? Is it lady with the hood?
The hood?
I don't know what you're looking at.
Right there. For the 748.
What are you looking at? Who's hurt?
Right here in this.
Where at, bro?
Right here, I guess. Now she just moved.
Do you want her out of the store? Do you want to refuse service? It's up to you. We can just stand here, I guess.
Oh, there's the nails.
Is he in the blue hat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, we're at the stalemate now.
If you want, you can refuse service. You want us to do that?
Yeah.
So it's easier so we don't create a big fuss in here?
How you're sure that's a fake receipt?
That's why I wanted to wait until they actually walked out.
Because, like, how'd you see it on their phone?
I was like right next to the shopping actually, and he had that receipt.
Yeah, dude, let's just kick him out of here.
Do you want to scan these on the bottom? Yeah, she's all about
What's up, guys? What's up, man? So I don't know what's going on. I guess they are saying you guys like stolen before or whatever, but they want you at a store and they don't want to sell any merchandise to you guys, and they have that right.
No,
So-
we're buying it. Actually.
That's fine. I believe you, but they're a manager and they don't want you guys in the store. They feel like you guys are about to steal. I guess you have a fake Walmart receipt on your phone. No. Okay. Well, we don't have to get into that. If you guys just want to leave peacefully, you guys want to do that? Okay. That way's closed. That exit. We'll walk you guys out this way.
You want the trespass, right? They come back. You want to do the whole thing and then trespass and they come back or arrest.
Okay, cool. So we're just going to go to our car, get your info, and then they're going to put a trespassing thing on you guys, okay? So we can do this civilly.
Am I the person?
What?
Am I the person?
Yeah. We're going to go, let's just do this outside by our car. No one, you're not going to jail or anything. We're just going to do this trespassing so you guys can't come back here. It doesn't matter. We're gonna go to my car. We're not gonna do this inside this Walmart. People are trying to shop. Okay, you guys are detained right now. You're not going to jail, but if you guys want to make this a fuss, then we can do that. Let's just leave this store peacefully while people try to shop. Let's keep walking.
I left something on my shopping cart.
Okay. Follow her out. Alright, come on. Yeah, the receipt right there. Yeah, okay, stop stealing. Let's go. I don't do this. You're like 40 years old and you're still stealing, dude? Get a job. Let's go.
It's got a knife.
Where?
You can have it.
Don't reach for it.
Take it.
Get your fucking hand off the knife.
Sorry, sir.
Get the fuck out of the store. I'm not playing around.
I know, but
How stupid are you?
Hold this shit.
I'm trying to take it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey.
Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained.
I know, sorry.
Hey!
Drop the phone. We're gonna put you in handcuffs because I don't know if you have other weapons.
Stop.
If you fight,
You're
you're
gonna
gonna get on the ground.
You're gonna get thrown on the ground.
I'm promising you right now, you're not gonna win this fight.
Stop.
I'm trying to call my wife.
Stop.
Hey,
Stop.
Hey,
Stop.
hey, can you tell them to stop? It's a mistake, babe.
We're putting you in handcuffs, dude.
Hey, excuse me.
I'm gonna put you on the ground.
Hey, can somebody help me?
Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, man. Can you tell them to stop?
Not yet. Not yet. Get him in cuffs.
Stop resisting my partner.
Gotta do that, boss.
Don't freak out. Get him
Hey,
up.
help me, please. Stop.
Turn around. Hey, dude.
Help me. Ma'am,
They're not gonna help you.
Ma'am, help me, please.
Hold it.
Okay, dude. Hey, dude, you're about to get punched, bro.
My money.
464, we need unit code 3. One word.
I'm helping. He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Shoot him! Shoot him! Nice.
46,
Nice.
18464, shots fired, 1033 Walmart, stage 91.
463 shots fired.
I got it. 464. Subject's gonna have a gunshot wound to his head, an 891.
Where'd she go? Dude, where'd she go?
We're good. She ran out. 464, yeah. For additional, there's gonna be a female suspect on foot. There's gonna be a blonde, white. Stand by.
Hey, come here. Wait right here. Okay, wait right here. I don't know what you have, so don't reach in your. I don't care. I don't know that.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, ma'am, can you tell them to stop, please,
Hey,
ma'am?
look, dude, you're making this hard on yourself. Stop resisting my partner.
I'm sorry.
Don't freak out.
Freaking out, please.
Don't
Stop.
freak out. Just get him
Guys,
in.
help me, please.
Turn around.
Look at that lady. Tell that lady to stop.
Turn
Lady,
around. Hey,
can you
dude,
help her? Ma'am,
they're
can
not
you
gonna help
me?
you. Turn around.
Ma'am, help me, please.
Can you grab this?
Help me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, dude.
Hey, dude, you're about to get punched, bro.
Oh, my money. My money, please, give me my money. Stop.
I'm helping. He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Shoot him!
Shoot him.
Nice.
463. Shots fired.
Yep. All right, I'm good. I'm out.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
Hey.
You're being detained.
I know, sorry.
Hey,
Drop the phone. We're gonna put you in handcuffs because I don't know if you have other weapons.
Stop.
Please, sir.
If you fight,
You're
you're
gonna
gonna get on the ground.
You're gonna get thrown on the ground.
I'm promising you right now, you're not gonna win this fight.
Stop.
I'm trying to call my wife.
Stop.
Hey, babe.
Stop.
Babe.
Stop.
Can you tell them to stop? This is a mistake, babe.
We're putting you in handcuffs, dude. I'm gonna put you on the ground.
Can somebody help me?
Stop.
Come on, boss. Please stop.
Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing, please, man.
go to
Can
the
you
ground?
tell him to stop me,
Not
man?
yet. Not yet. Get him in the cuffs.
Stop resisting my partner.
We got both.
Don't freak out.
Freaking out, please.
Don't freak out.
Help me, please. You think at least tell me to stop. Ma'am,
They're not gonna help you. Turn around.
ma'am, tell me, please.
Hold her.
My leg.
Unit code 3.
I'm helping.
He's got a gun!